Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online Quran lesson. Dear student, in the 16th lesson we will learn the Tashdeed after mad. This is called a mad, and mad is long, and this is called a shad. Shad means connected with the previous letter. Let's start. Repeat after me. Zalan, zalan. Dawatin, dawatin. Hajaka, zalan. Dawatin, hajaka, hajuka, hajuka. Lazaluna, lazaluna. Walazzalina, walazzalina. Atuhajuni, atuhajuni. Wala tahazzuna, wala tahazzuna. Wassafati, wassafati. Ja'atit sakha, ja'atis sakha. Wa iza ja'atit tamatul, wa iza ja'atit tamatul kubra, wa iza ja'atit tamatul kubra, wa iza ja'atit tamatul kubra, kubra. Thanks a lot. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Goodbye.